I'm Murray Robertson, the CEO of QTech Global. At QTech, we believe in empowering our customers with the best in-class spray solutions globally. We're very, very fortunate to have a fantastic team here at QTech, which is helping the innovation, the procurement, the production, and the whole marketing of the QTech brand globally.
Developed long-standing and genuine relationships with our manufacturing partners that's allowed us to continue to deliver the products to the market and also to develop and innovate those products further for spray.
It's a really enjoyable atmosphere. Year on year, it's just getting bigger and better. Still getting enjoyable, having great fun as well, and that's really part of it. And just keeping customers happy as well.
Qtech has become the #1 choice now, globally, for the decorator in the Airless and HVLP ranges. We're very excited with the new innovations coming in 2023, excited with the new prospect, taking on some new, larger national dealers globally, and helping the decorator make the switch to spray.